It looks amazing, and the lighting and driving performance is vastly improved. Now, that's another thing that can be a project to install. The headlight installation is a little involved. Headlight Revolution, again, has great videos on how to do it, but I highly recommend that upgrade. An additional upgrade I highly recommend on the second gen Tundra. Now, of course, I'm sure many of you have tonneau covers or use tonneau covers. That's pretty standard. But the bed rug. So I have a bunch of stuff in here right now, but this bed rug, it's called bed rug. Just Google bed rug. This has been installed for over 200,000 miles. It hasn't moved, and you can see the logo over there, bed rug, and this is a must-have. I don't care if you're hauling bricks or bicycles or camping, but you can crawl around in your truck. Things don't get scratched. Things don't slide around. It's so much more comfortable to be on. It's so much safer for your things. And this thing has been perfect and bulletproof for 200,000 plus miles. You can pressure wash it. You can beat the heck out of it and it'll be fine. Highly recommend the bed rugs for the second gen Toyota Tundra. It's awesome. One final tip, second gen Toyota Tundra is you have a lock, right, for your bed lock. They get gooped up, they get gunky. Sometimes they stop working. You can't lock it, you can't unlock it. Get some high quality. I use a synthetic spray lubricant from Royale Purple. It's like WD-40 on steroids. Get the little straw that comes with it, shoot a whole bunch into your lock, and your lock should be working perfectly again and back in action for a very, very long time. Hope it was helpful. One final tip, and this one is exclusively for Tundra TRD Pro owners. But when I got my new Tundra TRD Pro, which I bought new in 2016, loved it, but I didn't feel the engine and the performance was quite living up to all the modification and enhancements that the TRD Pro package offers, the exhaust system, air intake, etc. So what I learned is that if you use the tow haul button, on my truck I have a high visibility orange decal on there, but under that decal it says tow haul and it's just to the right of your steering wheel. If you press the tow haul button, your truck will transform. I don't know if it rechanges the computer setting, I don't know what it does, but tow haul mode in a Tundra TRD Pro transforms your vehicle into an absolute hot rod.